picture lang from our organizing team. Now please refrain from going here po sa part na ito, sa projector natin, kasi yung mga wirings po. Again, to our campers, from our organizing team's instruction, huwag daw po kayo pumunta dito sa mga projector kasi baka mag-damage and makakuha tayo ng pera. Okay. Please make sure to stay at the table where you finish your puzzle, as that will be your official team area for the rest of the camp. Take a moment to settle in and get comfortable. We'll be moving to our next part of our programming in just a few minutes. Ang naunang emotion ay dalawa kayo dyan. Ang instruction namin is math. Yes. Fastly, sino nauna? Eto o ayon? Ano po ang desisyon ng ating head fastly? Anong emotion naman dyan? Si Joy. Tapos si Fear. Sino po ang nauna? Si Joy. Okay, nauna daw po si Joy. Ito po ay information na galing sa kanila. Kung may reklamo kayo, sa kanila po. Huwag niyo po akong dinadamay dahil nagsasalita lang ako. Okay, everyone. You're settled down naman. So, baka nag-enjoy naman kayo. Pero puputulin po na natin ang inyong pansamantalang enjoyment.
Now it's time for the heart of our program. Our first session is titled Standing Out and Fitting In, Self-Identity and Role Recognition. We are privileged to have one of the respected professors at the Tanduanes State University. He completed his elementary and high school education at Santa Monica Academy in 1996 and 2000, respectively. He then pursued pre-college and college studies in Holy Rosary Preparatory Seminary and Holy Rosary Minor Seminary, earning a Bachelor of Arts in major in philosophy with a minor in religious education in 2005. He continued his graduate studies at Holy Rosary Preparatory Seminary, obtaining a Bachelor of Arts in Sacred Theology and a Master of Arts in Sacred Theology, major in Moral Theology in 2009. He also completed teacher education at Universidad de Santa Isabel in Naga City, Camarines Sur. He took his second Master of Arts in Education, major in Guidance and Counseling in the Tanduanes State University, and currently completing his dissertation for a Doctor of Philosophy, major in Counselor Education at the University of Santo Tomas de Legazpi. Since July 24, 2018, he has been serving as professor at the Tanduanes State University College of Education. He is an active affiliate or member of the following organizations: Integrated Professional Counselors Association of the Philippines Incorporated, a Philippine Association for Teachers and Educators Incorporated, and Philippine Extension and Advisory Services Network Incorporated, and Philippine Association of Extension Program Implementers Incorporated. He has held various administrative designations, including College of Education Secretary in 2018 to 2020. Currently is the Values Education Program Advisor since 2018, Teacher Education Department Chairperson in 2020, Head of the Guidance Counseling and Testing Office in 2020-2022, Extension Coordinator of COED in 2023 to 2025, and now as Director of Extension Services. Everyone, please welcome to the front, Professor Joey B. Rasayaga. Let us give him a big round of applause.
Okay, good afternoon. Nice to be back. No? Pangilan ko na ba to? Pang-apat na to, pang-lima. Okay, so always happy to be invited, no? And of course, glad kasi po makakasama po kayo. Limited lang yung time, 1 hour. Pero hopefully, no, mayroon po kayong makuha sa akin. Okay ba yun? Wala po ako activity na mayroon po kayong gagawin sa papel o ano. Pero po, mayroon po akong isang pakiusap. No? Right after po ng mga insights na i-share ko, meron po tayong video, short clip lang siya, napapanoorin. Then, ang pakiusap ko, magre-request po ako sa inyo, no? At least na reaction o reflection based on sa nakita nyo pong short clip. Okay lang ba yun? So, bawat table na lang siguro, no? So, kung saan po ako pumunta sa table, doon po ako hihingi ng reaction na. No? Total, pag-uusapan po natin everything about you, not about me. It's all about you, no? Kasi we will be talking about your identity, okay? We will be talking about your role, no? Karamihan sa inyo, I know, mga officer ng mga different organizations sa school, tama? Meron ba dito SK? Okay, meron. About yung mga sa school.
I-put mo na lang.
So, maramihan. Okay? So, yan. Yun ang pag-uusapan natin. Everything about yourself, ano meron kayo ngayon, anong pwedeng wala. Okay? Ano yung iniisip, ano yung gagawin. Okay? So, baka po mayroon kayong makuha dito,
sabi ko pa yun sir na mapasend daw po siya ng attendance.
Makaka-relate ba tayo?
Si sir,
Sa mga bagay-bagay
pagpasign
na
ko kanina.
pag-uusapan natin.
Duman na lang
So,
daw
that's
sa
my
messenger
promise
account na
to you.
i-contact
So,
ko. Duman
everything
na lang
about
si sir.
yourself, pero yun nga, sabi ko, I would like to solicit, no, your short reflection, short reaction, para naman po maging interactive yung lecture natin ngayon. Okay po ba? Okay. Saan po yan? Yan po. Malayo. Pwede play nyo tayo na sila.
Next na lang namin.
Next slide na lang. No? Okay. This is our main question, no? For this 1 hour na sharing natin, no? So, one is, kumusta bilang isang leader? Are you an authentic leader? Totoong leader ba? Pero may mga times na minsan, pag ayaw natin, nakikipag-plastikan. Di ba? Sino bang nakaka-relate to? May mga times na pag hindi mo gusto yung kausap mo, no? Ayaw mo naman po maging simpatiko, di ba? So, kaya minsan, napakahirap talaga na maging real, or maging true, or maging isang authentic na tao. Okay? So yun po ang isang titingnan natin, no? As we go on with our sharing this afternoon. Second, kasi grabe ang expectation sa atin, ba? Once you held the position, there is an expectation. Kaya ang second concern natin, are we an effective community members? So dalawa po yung titingnan natin. Authentic ba ako? Effective ba ako bilang members ng isang community? No, kung SK president ka ng barangay, effective ba ako? Kung officer ka po, student officer ka po, effective ba ako? But at the same time, authentic pa ako. So ito po yung gusto ko pong bigyan natin ng attention. Sa dulo po, ang lecture na to, yun ang i-resolve natin. Authentic and effective pa tayo community members. I guess this is a very challenging concern na meron tayo. After all, yun naman po talaga yung parang hinahanap natin. No? Bago tayo matulog, we ask ourselves, kumusta din yung naging reaction ko? Nagpakatotoo ba ako? O nakipag-plastikan lang ako? Diba? Kumusta naman kaya yung aking mga responsibilities? Meron bang bunga? Meron bang result? No? Or baka tenggalan? Walang nangyayari. Okay? Sige. So this is our key question. Next slide tayo. Okay, first, para masagutan natin yung tanong niyo. We cannot do away with these two important matters. You will never discover authenticity kapag hindi ka po aware of yourself. Okay? How will you discover yourself? Kung first and foremost, you don't want to know about yourself. But the first concern, the first thing that we should do is awareness. Okay? Part or coupled by awareness, may ma-realize tayo, may mga bagay-bagay na kailangan ko palang gawin. Kasi makikita mo ay may mga limitations pa pala. Of course, nobody is expected to be perfect. Mahirap po yun. Diba? Na maging perfect. But we want to grow into someone that at the later part of our life, magiging proud ka. Kaya you have also to address the identity formation. And meron po tatlong bagay na pwede po natin gawin. This is a framework. Belong, believe, and become. So tatlong B's. No? Tatlong ba. Most of the time, mas nauunawaan natin yung sarili natin pag mayroon tayong tinatawag na grupo or association. Okay? Yun ang nangyayari. I belong to this group kasi pareho pala kami ng gusto, ng interest. No? Yun ang nangyayari. Mas nakikilala mo yung sarili mo kasi pag tinignan mo yung mga friends mo, may mga similarity kayo. May mga commonality na nagkakasundo kayo. Of course, yun ang hahanapin mo. No? Hindi ka pupukuhan ng isang tao na super opposite na sigurado magbabanggaan kayo palagi. Diba? Kaya nga, sino po dito yung pag naghanap ng friend, yung dapat okay siya. So that's the first na nakikita natin. The sense of belongingness give us something about our self. Tells us something about our self. Pero po, may problem minsan siya. Lalo pag naging extreme yung perception mo of belongingness. Kasi ang nangyayari, instead of knowing yourself, ang nangyayari po, you are already just trying to please others. Why? Because you want to be accepted. Kaya nangyayari, may mga pinatago kita. Nasa hiling mo, baka dahil pwede sa standard yun. Yun ang nakakatakot. Instead of knowing yourself, dahil ang intention mo dyan is just to please because you want to belong, lalo kang lumalayo sa sarili mo. mas hindi mo tuloy naiintindihan. Why? Because you just satisfy, ito yung gusto niya, then ibibigay ko yung gusto niya. Ito ang standard niya, then I will try to live out according to his or her standard. Question, whose standard? Whose characteristic? Whose trait? They.